Hello student, once again welcome back in Krishna classes. Today I am gonna tell about the wave nature of electromagnetic radiation. So this topic is related from the chapter 2 of class 11. There is chapter 3 also going on and some topics covered by me which is available on my channel Krishna classes. So for knowledge of that topics and chapter 1, 2, 3 and next chapter you have to first subscribe Krishna classes and press the like button. So subscribe to my channel and start today's class and also other classes. So what is the today's topic? Wave nature of electromagnetic radiation. This is the today's topic. James Maxwell, a scientist known as James Maxwell in 1870 give a explanation about the interaction between charged particle. Between which charged particle? James Maxwell in 1870 give a explanation about the interaction between which charged particle. It means positive and negative particle, charged particle moves under acceleration. Particles that is moves under acceleration. Okay, I also covered acceleration topic. So you have to watch all videos. Alternating electrical and magnetic field. It means the charged particle which moves under acceleration produce magnetic and electric both field. Okay, these are called the electromagnetic wave. These are called the electromagnetic waves or radiation. So what said Maxwell? James Maxwell in 1870 gave an explanation about the charged body, about the charged particle body that moves under acceleration and produce two types of radiations. First is electric field produces and also magnetic field produces. So this is called the electromagnetic radiations or electromagnetic wave. According to the name, it is clear. Electro means electric field and magnetic means magnetic field. So charged body produces two types of field, electric as well as magnetic field. That is called the electromagnetic radiation or electromagnetic wave. Okay, here this is the figure given here. This is the x axis, this is the y and this is the z. And here red color wave indicate the electric component. Red color wave indicate the electric component and blue color wave indicate the magnetic component. Okay, so here what happened? Here same wavelength, same frequency, same speed and same amplitude, all are the same and two waves are transmitted. That is the electric field component means electric wave and that is the magnetic field component means magnetic wave. Two waves are transmitted, that waves are parallel to each other. It means electric and magnetic both waves are parallel to each other. This is the Maxwell electromagnetic radiation theory given by James Maxwell in 1870, in which two radiations occur, means two field generated. First is electric field and second one is the magnetic field. They are parallel to each other and in this time both have same wavelength, same frequency, same speed and same amplitude. This is called the electromagnetic waves or electromagnetic radiations. So this is the today's class. I repeat my class again. What is the today's class? Wave nature of electromagnetic radiation. This explanation was given by James Maxwell in 1870 between the charged particle. This occur between the charged particle which moves under acceleration and produces two types of field, that is the magnetic and electric field. These fields are parallel to each other, but their wavelength, frequency, speed and amplitude all are the same, and that is called the electromagnetic field. By the name it is clear that electro means electrical field and magnetic means magnetic field are waves. So this is the today's class. Hope you understand this topic very well. You can take a screenshot and write also in your notebook whatever you want. So this is the today's class. Thank you so much for the watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Krishna Classes for the next classes. Thank you so much.